This is the Inspector gadget of phone cases. You're not going to believe everything it does, so let's check it out. All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from TELSA. So today we are talking about this MagBak phone case. Now in the intro, I said it's Inspector gadget of phone cases. Now, am I dating myself? Is Inspector Gadget still a thing? Do kids these days know what Inspector Gadget is? I'm not sure. But anyways, this phone case does a lot. Now you think, phone case, what can it do other than protect your phone? Well, we're going to get into all the features of this phone case, and the biggest feature here is the box itself that it comes in. So let's get right into it. So I have this brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. So what we're going to do is first going to put in the screen protector. So this thing is amazing because the actual box that it ships in is a screen protector installer. So let's go ahead and do this. So first off, we're just going to move that aside. We're going to stick our phone in here, in this little area here. And it's going to be really snug like that. All right. Then we're just going to take the alcohol swab, just give it a good clean, and microfiber. Okay, now you'll notice this little tab here. It says you only get one shot, so you better get it right. All right, so I watched the video. I think I'm okay. So we're gonna pull this in like this and close this and pull this out. Let's hope. You got a few air bubbles. So you may have a few air bubbles. So just grab one of these things and just push it across. The MagBak case does not come with one of these. This is one of my old screen protector installers. So yeah, that's perfect. So that's the install of the screen protector. Now you can see here, it's like edge to edge. Most screen protectors kind of go like to like that bezel, black bezel area, but this is all the way to the edge. So you can see that once you put the actual case on, it's going to be full coverage. All right, so let's move on to the actual case. Now, it is actually quite amazing how many features they can stick into this really small, thin, and really lightweight case. You're going to be amazed. So the first feature I'm going to talk about before putting it on the phone is you can see inside, there's kind of like a felt lining, which is basically going to protect your phone. So like you're not going to have any issues of worrying about scratches. So we're going to put it basically in. Easy install, just like so. Oh, my flashlight's on. All right, so let's go down and cover the features. So the biggest feature here is you're going to see here is a little kickstand, right? Like that, which basically allows you to put your phone down. So you can either put it like this or put it like this. Very cool feature. And then when you don't need it, off it goes and it's out of sight. All right, so moving on. Now, a lot of people like the little, little bump out that you hold your phone with your thumb. So this one has one too, which is amazing. So you'll see here, it's got the little thing. So basically all you have to do is put your thumb and you got yourself a the whole thumb holder or finger holder. So yeah, and then when you don't need it, all you have to do is it goes right back in like that. Amazing. And then we have what's called the pinky cushion. So this little thing on the charge port over here, basically when you're holding your phone like this, most people hold their phones like that, your little pinky finger holds, and it's actually quite comfortable. I'm not going to, I didn't think it was going to be much of a difference, but it actually is. And then what it also does is it protects your charge port from any dust. So you have no dust coming in there, and when you don't need it. And a lot of people charge their phones wirelessly now, so you don't really need a charge port. So that's going to cover it and protect it so nothing gets in there. So moving on, you have buttons over here. This is for obviously your on off. And then you have your up and down your volume, and then there's the action button, and then there's on this side there's a cutout for the 16 has, or I think 16 and up has the camera button up here, so it's touch sensitive, so there's a little cutout for that. And you can see here there's grips all around along, so it's really comfortable to hold. And then there's really good protection on the actual camera bump, so you're not going to worry about that. And then what's better is so people that have like the little pop-out things, they either have to take it off or they can't use MagSafe. But let me tell you, let me just get a MagSafe thing. Do I have MagSafe around here? I don't. Stand by. All right, so got a MagSafe mount. And the thing they've added to this Elite case is that they have these magnetic strips over here, these three here, and they're actually telescopic, believe it or not. So when you bring it up to something that's metal, they'll actually pop out so that they connect a little bit better. And it's like you can kind of do it on uneven surfaces if you have to. So this is really cool. So one of the last things to talk about is the grips on the side. So it is really comfortable in your hand. And not only is it comfortable, but you can actually customizable. So they sell a set of, you basically change it to whatever color you want. So I got the red. It comes in a whole bunch of different colors, so you can pick whatever you want. But let's go ahead and switch those out. So if you want to switch over the colors, now you can do whatever you want. You can switch out a bunch of them, or all of them, or just a few of them. So there's a red case. Can switch out the finger loop. So there's your loop. Oh. So there's that. And I can switch out these little some things. All right, so there you got the red one. And you can swap out the pinky thing. Yep. And the buttons too. So yeah, if you want to customize it, it's, make it whatever you want. There's tons of colors, options available. So this is definitely my new favorite phone case. It's kind of mind-blowing of how many features and how much technology has gone into this case. It's, bravo, chef's kiss to MagBak. They've really outdone themselves. So like I said, everything from the kickstand to the finger grip, finger loop that's like, hidden from view, or you don't even need it when you don't use it, to the finger grips that are customizable in colors. You can put whatever color you want on there, as well as the MagSafe compatibility, even with a thumb loop, as well as the telescopic magnetic strips over here, the pinky thing, which is down here and, hides your charge port. Tons of awesome features. It's actually amazing. And I was actually quite concerned when I ordered this to see, I thought it was going to be a little bit bulky with everything that was in it. But this is just as light as the other phone cases that they have. So awesome feature. This one goes for $79 US and the regular one's $59. So for $20 more, you might as well get this one. All right, if you want to get yourself one of these, head over to magbak.com and use promo code NortonTesla for 15% off. That's 15% off the entire site. So you can get one of these as well as the Tesla charger and rim case if you need it as well. But definitely head over to magbak.com and use promo code NortonTesla. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I release about every week or so. Tons of amazing Tesla content. So if you want to subscribe, don't miss any of that, and hit that notification bell. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. In the meantime, drive safe and drive electric.